Hello and welcome O Level Geo students. This is Mareso and today we are looking at the topic air mass. What are air mass? Air mass are large body of winds with uniform characteristics, that is in terms of humidity and temperature. And remember, temperature is the degree of either hotness or coldness of a place, and humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Air mass are named after their source region, and we have 4 major source regions in our world, and these are: number 1, the tropical continental air mass. These are air mass that originates over tropical land, and generally they are warm because the tropics are hot, and they are dry because it's from the land. Then we have air mass that originates within the tropics but in the oceans, and we call this tropical maritime, meaning air mass that originates over tropical oceans, and their characteristics generally they are warm and moist. Also, they are unstable, and this results in what we call tropical cyclones. Then we have air masses that originates over polar regions. We have the polar continental air mass, which originates over the land, and because it's from the poles, it is very cold, and also it is dry since it's from the land. And we have the polar maritime air mass. These are large body of winds with uniform temperatures and humidity, and because they are from the pole, they are cool, and because they are from the oceans, they are moist. So we say they are cool and moist. Now we want to look at air mass that affects Zimbabwe. There are 3 main or major air mass, primary air mass that affects Zimbabwe as a country, and the first one is the tropical maritime air mass that comes from the Indian Ocean, and they come to Zimbabwe from the northeast direction, and they cause rain in summer. Then we have air mass, then we have the polar maritime air mass. This comes near Antarctica from the south, and they blow in Zimbabwe during the winter. These are responsible for bringing the cold spells and rain during June and July periods. Some little drizzle or little rains, not heavy rain we experience in summer. And the last air mass I'd like to talk about today is now the tropical continental air mass. And this air mass comes from Sahara desert in North Africa, and some of this air mass comes from Kalahari desert. And all these deserts are within the tropics, and these air mass are warm and dry, and they are mainly witnessed in Zimbabwe before the rain season. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. If you have any questions or any topics you are suggesting discuss about, put it in the comment section. Goodbye.